Hey guys, I'm doing a super quick video on the launch control system in the 2017 and 18 Camaro ZL1. A lot of us know how to use it. A lot of us haven't even messed with it. I've done a couple launches, but nothing recently, and I just got a new set of tires, so I plan on giving this a shot tomorrow morning, basically. But I wanted to give you guys just a little heads up on how this works, basically. The system's actually pretty solid here. The main thing that I think, let me just go through the steps here. The main thing that we need to do, first of all, the car needs to be obviously in drive. Steering wheel has to be straight ahead. And we have to double tap the traction control system, bring it down into race, and tap select. Once it's set into race, then all you have to do is basically use the controller button on the steering wheel and take the menu from info for the dash, take it down to the options. Once you click on options, you'll see that launch control is activated. Now, once you have launch control activated, you can go into the extra launch control menu and do custom. Now, the cool thing with the custom settings, let me see here. Actually, that was the custom setting I said before. So launch RPM, it basically allows you to move through and adjust what launch RPM you want to do, basically. So we're sitting basically at idle, or you want to give it a little gas, basically. So let's say we want to set it at 1400 RPM. Slip target is actually really cool because it allows you to adjust how much slip you want the rear tires to do as you're taking off. So you can adjust it from 10% in 0.5% increments all the way down to 5%. So let's say hypothetically we want to leave it 5.5. Pretty cool, actually. So you can do a custom launch, or you can just go straight up into automatic. I don't know why it goes straight to high traction, but that's usually what you get when you do the automatic. The cool thing is, like I said, you don't have to do automatic. You can do the custom settings. Let me go back in here. Yeah, and that's the custom stored one that we just did. High traction, 1400 RPM with the 5.5% slip. Very cool. Now, if you go further into the menu, you'll notice down at the very bottom they have line lock, and this is what allows you to warm up your rear tires if you're going to do any drag racing, that kind of a thing. I'm not a drag racer, so I don't really intend on using this thing. I'm a road course guy basically here, but it is still cool to know that they have the option to sit there and fry the tires in the back if you want to warm them up and do any drag racing, or you just want to do a crazy ass burnout. I think it only allows the front tires to lock and the rear brakes, the front brakes to lock, the rear brakes to release. It's only about 15%, or 15 seconds. I apologize. So it allows you just to get the tires warm enough to get a good launch, but not to totally decimate the damn things and bring it down to the rims. Anyways, like I said, I'm not a big drag racing guy, so I'm going to come out of this. There we go. Bottom line is you have some good options on this. It's not your basic Chevy, like I said. Basically, this thing's got some really cool stuff to basically, yeah, get you off the line and to use all that power. Very cool. So like I said, line lock, we've got launch control, and 650 horsepower. Very cool options. Just wanted to show you guys what I saw.